If you woke up today in the United States with less than $10,000 invested, you're not alone. Millions of people are sitting on cash, waiting, scrolling through videos like this one, hoping for the perfect time to start. But what if I told you the perfect time doesn't exist? Because the people who win the next decade won't be the ones who time the market, but the ones who start. Let's get real for a second. "2025 isn't just another year. It's a reset button. The economy is shifting, the rules are changing, and while everyone's arguing about whether the market will crash or skyrocket, quiet investors are already building what I call the beginner's blueprint. A simple, boring, almost mechanical system that could take an ordinary American from 0 to 10,000, and beyond. Here's the thing. The best investors don't try to be smarter than the market. They design a process that works even when they're not watching it. That's what this video is about. Not hype. Not predictions. Just the playbook for 2025. It starts with one simple rule. Before you invest, build your $1,000 emergency cushion. Why? Because no matter how brilliant your portfolio is, if your car breaks down or you lose your job, you'll sell at the worst possible moment. That $1,000 isn't an investment, it's a shield. A mental armor that lets you invest with confidence instead of fear. Now, once you've got that buffer, you begin your journey in this order. Step 1. If your employer offers a 401k match, take it. That's 100% return, guaranteed. Free money. Americans leave billions on the table every year just by ignoring that. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. Your choice depends on your income, but the idea is the same: tax-free or tax-deferred growth. Step 3. Once those are full, open a simple taxable brokerage account. No fancy apps, no leverage, no shiny objects. Just a consistent place to grow your future. Here's where it gets powerful. Inside that account, your 2025 beginner portfolio could look like this. 70% in a broad market ETF like VTI or SCHB. These track the entire US market. 20% in a total bond or short-term treasury ETF for stability. And 10% in cash or T-bills for opportunities and peace of mind. It's simple, balanced, and built for beginners who want to sleep well at night. Every paycheck, you automate a small amount. $200, $300, maybe $500 if you can. The trick isn't timing, it's rhythm. Twice a month. The 1st and the 15th. Set it. Forget it. That's called dollar cost averaging. Over time, it beats most people who panic buy and sell. Now, while everyone else chases penny stocks and, next big thing, crypto coins, you'll be doing something radical, staying consistent. And here's the magic: consistency compounds. The same $300 per month, for 10 years, in an S&P 500 ETF, could grow to more than $60,000, even with modest returns. It's not glamorous, but it's real. And if you're watching this thinking, I don't even make enough to invest, then here's your unfair advantage: invest in skills. That's the part most beginners forget. The fastest compounding return in your life won't come from Wall Street, it'll come from you. Take one high-impact course this year: sales, coding, AI tools, copywriting, financial literacy, anything that raises your income. Because if you can grow your monthly surplus, your portfolio will snowball faster than any market rally. The blueprint isn't about predicting the next boom. It's about building an engine that runs forever. It's about saying, "I'm done guessing. I'm going systematic." It's about being the calm one in a world full of noise. Think about this. The average American spends over $150 a month on subscriptions they don't even use. That same $150, redirected into a simple ETF every month, could change your financial story forever. Imagine looking back in 2035 and realizing your life changed because of one decision, starting in 2025. You see, the people who build wealth aren't luckier or smarter, they're just earlier. They treat every dollar as a worker, not a wish. They automate, they stay consistent, and they trust the process even when the headlines scream panic. So as you watch this video, make a choice. You can keep watching others invest, or you can start your own blueprint today. Open your first account. Move your first $100. Set your first auto transfer. It's not about the amount, it's about momentum. Because the hardest investment isn't your money, it's your belief that you can do this. And once that belief compounds, nothing can stop you. 2025 will be full of noise. But those who keep their eyes on the plan will quietly win. This is your reminder: you don't need to predict the market, you need to participate in it. And when you do, remember this line: wealth isn't built in chaos. It's built in calm. You've got your emergency cushion. You've got your steps. You've got your blueprint. Now, go start. Because 10 years from now, your future self will thank you for what you did today. One day, you'll look back at 2025 and realize that was the year it all began. Not because you hit the lottery, not because you found a secret stock, but because you finally decided to stop waiting. You built your emergency cushion. You invested your first $100. You trusted a boring plan when everyone else was chasing noise. You see, wealth doesn't show up overnight. It's built one quiet, intentional step at a time, while the world is distracted. Every dollar you invest today isn't just money, it's a vote for your future. It's proof that you believed in something bigger than fear. So keep going. Keep automating. Keep learning. Because the people who stay consistent in 2025 will own 2035. Don't let fear write your story. Write it yourself. If this video helped you see things differently, drop a comment saying, "Blueprint," to let me know you're building your future too. And remember, wealth isn't built in chaos. It's built in calm. Subscribe, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.